Every building project needs land surveying. It involves measuring and mapping the land to enable architects, engineers, and builders plan the design and construction of buildings, roads, bridges, and other structures. Scondesign, a land surveying company in India, is good. Clients nationwide receive high-quality land surveying services from them. Indian land surveyor Scondesign has decades of experience. They perform topographical surveys, boundary surveys, cadastral surveys, and construction surveys. Their professionals employ the newest equipment and technology for reliable measurements. Scondesign is noted for its quality and client service. The Indian land surveyor conducts land surveys. They measure and map the terrain using GPS, total stations, and drones. The land surveyor creates thorough reports on topography, boundaries, and other factors from the survey data. Land surveying courses are available in India from several organizations. These programs teach land surveying skills and information. IISM, NICMAR, and IRS are popular schools. In conclusion, Indian construction projects require land surveys. The Indian land surveyor helps plan and execute development projects. Land surveying services in India are finest provided by Scondesign. Accurate, exact, and reliable services are offered by them. Scondesign is an excellent Indian land surveyor. Scondesign is Bangalore's top land surveyor business. Scondesign is one of the top land surveying firms thanks to its years of experience. The company conducts boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction planning, and more. Scondesign is Bangalore's best land surveyor firm because of its dedication to customer satisfaction. The company's highly qualified personnel use the newest technology and tools to provide accurate and efficient surveying services. Scondesign is also known for its great customer service. The organization keeps clients updated on project progress. This ensures that clients' demands are addressed and that they are satisfied with the offerings. Scondesign is the top Bangalore land surveying firm because of its attention to detail. The organization makes sure every part of the survey is precise and accurate. This prevents errors and issues. Scondesign's land surveying services in Bangalore are extremely inexpensive. The organization recognizes that every project is different and offers customized solutions. Scondesign is a renowned land surveyor business in Bangalore. It is one of the greatest organizations in the market because to its quality, customer service, attention to detail, and competitive pricing. Scondesign can help you with your next project. Contact them today to learn more.